Hi, this is Jim at profittraining.com. We're going to take a look at the Forex charts real quick here. And this is the EUR USD pair. And the top chart here we have the 10-10 bands. And the bottom chart we have stochastics on the chart. So the EUR USD made a new price low, came down and kept making new price lows as the stochastics was making a bullish divergence. And now it looks like a price low is in. The stochastics are moving higher, and the EUR USD is trading above the 10-10 bands here. So I think this market's heading higher. EUR USD higher. I think the dollar's heading lower, so that. And we'll look at the GBP USD. The dollar looks like it's ready to move lower on the commodity chart, so these pairs will kind of follow that lead of the dollar. Okay, let's see here. GBP USD, again we had new price low, higher momentum reading on the stochastics, and the GBP USD is moving above the bands here, so I expect this market to continue higher from here. I think a low's in for the GBP USD. The AUD USD we're already long in the premium newsletter. Okay, here we go. We got long right in this area on the premium newsletter, so we're ahead on this one. And basically, AUD USD came up and made a bull swing and made a test of the low, and has moved back above the bands, and the bands are in an uptrend, so everything looks good for higher prices for the AUD USD. Stochastics is the red line's above the green line, so that shows the momentum's up. So the AUD USD looks like it's going to continue higher from here. And again, we're long that trade in the premium newsletter, and it looks like it's going to be a good one for us, hopefully. We'll look at the USD CAD. I think since the dollar looks like it's going to break lower, the Canadian dollar looks like it's going to head higher on the chart. So this pair will probably, wait, look at the chart. We'll see what it's probably going to do. Okay. Okay, this pair is kind of sideways right now, but it moved below the bands here, and it came back above the bands, and now it's back below the bands, and the bands are more in a downtrend, so I think this pair is going to continue lower here. If we took out these pivot lows here, that would be a good sign that this market's heading lower, so we'll look for lower prices in this. Now the red line is below the green line on the stochastics. That's a sell signal. If this market were to head above the 10-10 bands and the stochastics were to head up and give a buy signal, then this market could move higher, but right now odds are with lower prices. I think this market's going to continue lower from here. And we'll look at the USD CHF, and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, on the regular commodity chart, which I'm not going to show you in this video, but the franc looks like it's making a low, and as mentioned earlier, the dollar looks like it's going to break lower, so this pair looks like it's going to head lower. We had these new price highs, a bearish divergence, and then it came up and made more new price highs, and then a bearish divergence, and then it's broken below the band, so it looks like the USD CHF is going to continue lower from here. So this is a bearish chart here. So that wraps it up for the Forex pairs. Thanks for listening to my video.